Hi everyone, my name is Jigan. La- Today we're going to discuss about the grep command and how to check the file size and how to restart and reboot the server, reboot or restart, and how to shut down the server and how to identify the server's IP address with the commands. We will see all. Okay, and last class we have seen so many commands like how to set the time zone of the server. Today we will see few more commands. So today the first is disk usage. Generally, we create the files in a server, Linux server, and directories. So to know the size of the file or directory, we use the command disk use. It is used to get the file or directory size. Syntax is file name. Disk du hyphen hs file name. Hyphen h as h means human readable form, s means size. So hs stands for h stands for human readable, s for size, human readable format. Generally, it displays in kilobytes or megabytes or gigabytes. We can get the desired size in whichever form for whichever the size like kilobyte, megabyte, or gigabyte. So disk usage. So it is used to verify the file size folder. See here, disk du hyphen hs dot 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 represents the current folder. So if you want to see the size of the current folder, you can add du hyphen hs dot. So then how to check the text usage files or directory? See, there are so many files or directories. So if you want to know which file or which directory has maximum size, so we can check with the du command. The first one is how to check. Let's see, du hyphen ks asterisk uh, type symbol sort hyphen r hyphen n pipe symbol at hyphen 1. So excuse me, du disk uses hyphen k for kilobytes. It shows in kilobytes. If you want to see the file size in megabytes, you can mention m. Want to see the file size gigabytes gs. Then asterisk shows all files in a folder. So it verifies all files which file has the highest maximum usage. And the pipe symbol is to store the result of first command, as we have discussed in previous class. To search the multiple results, we use the commands with a pipe symbol. So pipe symbol stores the result of the first command and gives the input to the second command. Next one is the sort hyphen or hyphen n. Hyphen or sort is to sort whether ascending order, descending order, or means reverse. So probably the first one is it might be either ascending order, descending order. So to sort out it, to sort, we use hyphen or, and n means number. So next one is n is count. Next one is pipe symbol. So result of first and second command will be stored in pipe symbol. Then we got the head. Head is the as we discussed, head and tail. Head head gives us the first 10 commands. Tail is gives the last 10 commands. Sorry, head gives the first 10 lines of the file. Tail gives us the last 10 lines of the file. So that is by default. So if you mention head hyphen one, it gives us the top one or top one line. So this is completely gives us highest usage of the file. Okay, now we'll see practically. Okay, first we'll see. Okay, so okay, we are in a slash root directory. Okay, since I logged in as root, so I'm in a slash root directory. So in the slash root directory, we have a files like the file one, file two, one file with touch, and the directory dir1. So I want to check size of each file and directory. So how to check? Du hyphen h s and asterisk. So if you see here, all file size shows in kilobytes. Okay. If you want to see the files in megabyte, du hyphen and so if you want to see the files in megabytes, disk usage hyphen m s and asterisk. So size of the file is 1 MB. So next one is if you want to check file in gigabytes, du hyphen gs asterisk. Sorry, it's gs. Okay. So So here it is giving in the so total file size in the home directory is 56 kilobytes. Now we'll see each file size, disk usage, hyphen usage, asterisk. Now see all files size file 11, 12, 13, 14. It is in ascending order. So I want to check which file has the highest usage of highest usage here. We'll see disk usage hyphen hs hyphen k asterisk. So here disk usage case asterisk. This command, result of this command stores in pipe symbol. So as we know, disk usage hyphen ks asterisk, all the file size, results of file size will be stored in pipe symbol, and after that it sort out either in ascending order, descending order. So it's in so it is it sort out in highest usage. So all the result will be stored in pipe symbol, and head hyphen one. Head hyphen one is the first line of the file, first line. So whatever the first line it gives us. So if you enter, we got the 16 KB, 16K RAM. See, RAM has the highest file usage, as we see here, 12K user one, 16K RAM. So if you want to check the first three highest usage files, add hyphen 2, 3. See, we get RAM and user one and files list 4. So this is how we can check and see the usage of each file and directory, and the maximum usage of the file can also be verified with a command disk usage. Now let us see the grep command. Grep command is used to find the string or word in a file. Generally what happens is, if we want to check or verify the string, particular string, so we to check the particular string or word in a file, we use the grep command. To search the string, so it searches the string or word in a file. Syntax I'm writing grep hyphen w for file name. Hyphen w stands for word. So word and word. We need to enter the name, string, what which we want to find in a file, and file name. So if you want to, this is the file name. If you want to search the word in all files, the syntax is grep hyphen w word asterisk denotes asterisk denotes current folder, no, sorry, all files. Asterisk denotes all files. So this is the one way. Then if you want to find, there are cases where the string has a multiple forms, like a string maybe in uppercase, same string with multiple forms, like string maybe in uppercase, string maybe in lowercase. It might be in all combinations of upper and lower. For example, if you take ram has ram or ram or ram. So this is lowercase letters, this uppercase letters complete. This is combination of upper and lower. So like this, there may be a strings in a file. So to find the strings irrespective of uppercase or lowercase, we have one syntax. To find a string in a file irrespective of case, uppercase or lowercase. Grep hyphen w. So here W stands for word, I stands for ignore. I is to ignore, W is word. So ignore is case, uppercase, lowercase, whatever the case, a combination of upper and lowercase both. So here to I just want to find the string Jagan in a file 10, no matter whether it's uppercase or lowercase. I just want to get the Jagan. So it gives us the result. So, and one more thing is to get the result, to get the list of the files wherever the string is found, we have a syntax. One is grep hyphen. So here to grep hyphen l il ignore l is list out Jagan and asterisk. So this gives us the list out the files wherever the string Jagan is found. We'll see all with example with the practically. Now so we have seen finding the strings or listing out the strings. Now we have one more command to count how many strings are there in a file. For example, Jagan is the string. So Jagan has so many. Jagan is in so many places. So we just want to know occurrences of the string Jagan in a file. So to find that, we have a command grep hyphen ic Jagan slash home slash file. So to count the strings, to count the string in a file, we use the I and C. I is ignore, C is count. Count the number of strings in a file. Next one is okay. We'll check all this grep command. We'll see. We'll see practically in our lab. Okay. Uh, okay. So we use file 20 because it has so many. It has a content, too much content. So I want to search the word. I want to search the word file 20 in all this completely. So how to get the string file 20 in a file where I can find it. We'll say grep hyphen w file 20. So here grep hyphen w and which string I just want to find file 20. Sorry, this okay. I can find it in the file name home file 20. File 20 is the name of the file. File 20 is the string which I want to find in a file named file 20. So don't get confused. I'm trying to find the string file 20 in a file 20. Okay, this is the file 20 and this is the name of the file. So I'm giving the absolute path slash home slash file 20, enter. See, so this is the where it gives us the line. This is the file content added to file 20. This is the file content added to file 20. So this is how we can verify or check the exact string or find what we are looking for. So we'll see one more string. Yeah, see, it lists out wherever the file name is there. File. We have a file 20 also. So we have file 20. We will see how to find exactly the file name without respect of file file 20. If you want to search, we have one more command to find exactly the file without adding the 20 prefix or suffix. We will see. So I want to find the grep -w string file in all files. So wherever it found, I just want to check the name, the string word file in all. So we have verified so we have seen grep -w and string and file name. So I've given absolute path previously. Now I'm giving all all files. I just want to find the string file in all files. It gives us wherever the file string is there. File 21 name, file 21 in a file. We have a file, the string. So this is how we can find the string in all files. Asterisk denotes all files. So if you give absolute path, only that path only the string is we find the string in absolute path. If we give the asterisk, it finds all wherever the string is found. So asterisk denotes all files. If you don't want to find the if you don't want to find the string or word in all files, you can give absolute path. So now we have now we'll see how many files, how the count of the files that exist in all files. We'll check. Great. I, I see file. Oh, sorry. All files, right? So here it giving me counts in file 11 0 0 0 0 0. File 20 we have 40. File 21 we have 7. File 6 0 0 0. File 3 0. And it is a directory, so it is not found. File list 0 0 0 0. So this is how the count number of occurrences of the string in a file in each file. So C is for C stands for count, I for ignore. So ignore is uppercase lowercase whether. So we can find the number of occurrences the string in all files. So there may be instances where you may have the files with a complete name, like for instance Jagan Raw, and some places you may have Jagan. So here there may be instances where the name would be Jagan Rao and Jagan. So I don't want the name completely Jagan Rao. I want only the Jagan. So to exclude the Rao, we use one more command, right? -w. So here grep -w jagan for file 20 and jagan raw. So just find the jagan and exclude the jagan raw. This is the main intention. Grep -b is to exclude the jagan raw. Only get fetch the results or string the jagan in all in a file called file 20. So I want to fetch the jagan only string in a file called file 20. I don't want to fetch the file. I don't want to fetch the string named jagan raw. So to not to fetch, we use the hyphen b. Hyphen b is to exclude, and we store the result here. So we'll see practically. So here we have a file's name. We have a string called file 20 and uppercase lowercase. So I want to fetch only the string file. I don't want to fetch the file 20. So to do that, to fetch the file, we use the command that we have discussed. Grep hyphen iw file. So I don't want to ignore. Don't ignore uppercase letter. Only slash home slash file 20 grep hyphen v file 20. So here we get here wherever the file here file. So I want only fetch the file string file. I don't want to fetch the file 20. So this is the what we got the result. File C. We can find only the file string file. We don't see the files. We don't see the name. We don't see the string file 20. So this is how we can search or find the string in files. So to find the files in one file, or to find the strings in one file or in all files, to count number of occurrences of the string in a file, or to find the string in all lowercase, uppercase letters, respective of whatever the case it is in, and to exclude the particular string, to fetch only that particular form of the string, we use the grep command. And we have this, actually what happened is we have thousands of uh, lines in a file. So there may be cases where we need to look for something line by line or page by page. So to see the content page by page or line by line, we use this and more commands to read the content. So less and more commands are used to read the content line by line or page by page. Syntax is more file name less file name. Uh, so here to read the content line by line, we use the less. To read the content page by page, we use the more. So you are in, for example, you have used the command more and file name, and you get into the file, and you so to go further the next page or next line, we use the here spacebar is used. Spacebar is used to move to the next page. Here, so general what happened is you are in file. You are in a file, so you want to see the next to page. Use the space bar. So if you are in a file, you want to go next line. Use the enter key. And if you want to go to the next page is to the space bar. You want to go back to the previous page. Use the letter B. Here also B. So you are in a page, you want to go to the next page, use the space bar, you want to go to the previous page, press the letter B, B for back. And you are in a page and you want to quit, press the letter, press the letter Q to quit the page. Press the letter Q to quit the page. We'll see this more on file commands practically in our lab. Okay, there are, actually the content should be more than 500 lines, then only we can use the more and less commands. Okay, okay, editor, okay. Okay, so there to use the lesson more, We use if you have more than 500 lines, then we can make use of the less and more. Okay. Okay, well, I'll show you when I have files without shows lines with examples. Now let's see the how to let's see a few more commands. How to restart or reboot the server. How to restart or reboot the server. So we have commands that we will shut down, right, to reboot the server. Shut down -r to reboot the server after 5 minutes. Shut down -r -5 or -10 minutes. To reboot the server, init 6. So how to power up the server. How to down the server. To shut down the server after 10 minutes, shut down -h 10, or you can use halt or Poweroff init 0. So reboot, to restart the server, we use the shutdown -r now, reboot, and after 10 minutes it reboot. Init 6 reboot, and init 0 power off, and halt is to power off. And the 10 minutes after 10 minutes the server will be shut down, and it will be immediately shut down now. So this we have uh, we have seen how to restart reboot the servers, and we will see how to sort out the files with the directory with the date and the time. We have already verified, right? Okay. So, let's see uh, who how long the server is up and running. How long? If you want to know when the server, since how uh, since what time the server is up and running, the command is how long the server is up and running. Uptime. So uptime is, if you enter uptime, it shows how long the server is up and running. And to find the IP address of the server, IPA, who currently logged in the server, who are W or users. So these are some basic commands to see how many users are logged into the server and to verify the server IP address of the server. Since how long the server is up and running, use the command uptime, and we see the practical who. It gives us the who logged in root, and W who logged in, and the users who logged in. So these three commands we can use to verify who has logged into server, and to find the IP address of the server, IPA. So IP address of the server is 10.162.3.200. Next one is uptime. So since how long the server is up and running, you can see uptime here. We'll see when the server is started. It started 3 days ago. So it is running. So who logged in and load average. These are some basic commands to see, and restart, reboot the server, and to find the strings in all files or in current file with lowercase, without lowercase, uppercase, and count the number of occurrences of the string in a file and to exclude the file. So these all are basic commands. With this, we can conclude the file management commands. The next time we'll see the user administration. Uh, Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.